This is a brief demo of the Clean Word HTML button that should be used to strip out extraneous Microsoft Word code when cutting and pasting from a Word document into Joule. So I'm here in my Word document. I'm going to select my text. I can use Control A to select everything, or I can click and drag through the portion I'd like. And then I'm going to use Control C to copy it. And then I'm going to go to my course in Joule, and I'm adding a resource. I'm going to do insert a label. Now, a little note, you should use this same technique anywhere you see the HTML editor, this box with those buttons. Anywhere you're pasting text in and that button is available, you should use it when you are pasting from Word. Simply click in the input box. I'm going to use Control V for paste. It's pasted down all the text, and I can see down here at the bottom, if I look carefully, that it's got these MSO normals and some odd code. That's one of the ways you'll notice that it's from Word when you see those MSO normals. And then I don't have to select the text inside of my box. You can see the text isn't selected. I simply have to click the Clean Word button. You can see it does some shifting. One of the things it sometimes does is remove some of the spaces between words. Like for instance here, it's removed the space between the words. An easy way to locate those places is to simply use the spell check feature. So there's spell check down here on the toolbar. And it pretty much, you'll notice it notices which ones and says, I can simply go through and say replace. Of course, looking carefully, because in some places that might not be what's going on. But for the most part, so for instance, that's not one, so I ignore it, replace that one. And this is an actual, there's another one. And so you just continue that. Of course, I made a mistake, so I simply use the undo. But you'd continue going through those, replacing and ignoring as necessary. And then that extraneous code is gone, and you can simply say save and return to your course. And your text will appear, and it won't cause any problems in the rendering of your course, which might prevent you from being able to move items or edit or hide items.